Hello everyone, my name is Vaiana and today I have my friend here, Maui. Today we are going to learn the dangerous forest dance. Are you ready? Are you ready, Maui?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Step number 1. The Vaiana dance. Vaiana dance. Oh, Maui is really good at the Vaiana dance. Very good, children. And again, Vaiana dance. Show me. Yes, excellent. Perfect. Now, step number 2. Stand up. Watch now. Show me, Maui. Stand up. Watch now. And walk. And walk. Excellent, Maui.
Yes.
Excellent walking. From the top. And Vaiana dance. And stand up. Watch. And walk. And now, let's go. Let's go. Right now.
Now.
Yes. Let's go right now to the dangerous forest. Dangerous forest. Excellent, Maui. Well done. Okay. Are you ready to do it from the top? Okay. Vaiana dance. Yes. And stand up. Watch and walk. And let's go now to the dangerous forest. Excellent! That was very, very hard. Well done. Okay, now we're ready for part 2. Are you ready, Maui?
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
let's start. We're not afraid. Are you afraid, Maui?
No.
Of course not. We're not afraid. With Maui and me. Maui and me. Be brave. Be brave. Let me see, Maui. Be brave. Excellent. Let's go right now. Let's go right now. Excellent. And now, from the top, let's remember, we're not afraid. With Maui and me. Be brave. Let's go right now to the dangerous forest. Excellent! Excellent job, children! Now we are ready for the music! Vaiana dance! Excellent! Woo, well done, Maui! Good job!
Stand up, watch now, and walk with me. Let's go right now to the dangerous forest.
We're not afraid. With Maui and me, be brave. Let's go now to the dangerous forest. Well done, children. Well done, Maui. Goodbye.